Okay, so this is a virtual viewing of the one-bedroom flat that's available. It's the top floor of this cottage, and this is the location. It's in a peaceful valley in Blagdon. Very, very quiet lane, hardly any traffic. There's a parking space up here, which is plenty of room. That's the parking that comes with the flat. This front garden also comes with the flat. There's quite a bit of lawn space there. So in we go. There's a little ground floor hallway, which is a useful space for storing some bits and pieces. There is a little bit of damp in the wall down there, but then it's an old building and there's not really much we can do about that. There's central heating down here. There's also a little bit of damp there, which again, there's not really much we can do about. It sort of stays like that really. So in we go, straight upstairs. There's a window there, and there's the stairs, give you an idea. We'll start with the bathroom, as it's right here in front of us. So, nice green view out there. You've got all the usual things. Storage, light over the mirror, and there's a shower on its own valve over the bath with a screen, and there's a radiator. It's quite a big bathroom, and it's got a vinyl floor, so it's quite low maintenance. Bit of storage space there. Here's the bedroom. It's a one-bedroom flat. Comes furnished. It's a 5-foot bed, radiator, 2 bedside tables. Again, view back over the front of the building, over the lane. There's that parking space. There's a storage unit there, wardrobe. It's not actually a wardrobe, we've put shelves in it because it's more useful like that. There we go. So that's the bedroom. It's not quite square, it's a sort of slightly funny shape, but it's about, well, that's a double bed. So it's about 3 metres wide, a bit wider at this end, and about 4+ metres long, the bedroom. And then this is the kitchen, dining, living room, which is all contained in here. You've got 2 windows in here. You've got lounge area. There's a TV point in the corner over there. It's carpeted on this section, and then in the kitchen area it's got vinyl on the floor. Kitchen's pretty well equipped, so you've got gas cooking there, and a gas oven, under counter fridge, sink, lots of storage. There's storage cupboard up there. And going around this side you've got more storage, room for your bits and pieces there, and there's an extractor up there in the ceiling as well, which is quite handy. And then in this little cupboard here there's a little freezer. I'll come back a bit so you can see that. There's a freezer, and then behind there that's the boiler, the gas combi boiler that is, so that fires up on demand for hot water and manages all the central heating. There's a programmer just there for the central heating. There are some sort of rough walls in this space. Again, it's an old building. We've had a little bit of a problem with these walls. It's not damp coming in, it's just leaching through from old lime paint that we haven't quite got to the bottom of. So it's a little bit rough, but it's all very clean and redecorated. Here's an example of the rough paintwork. You can just about see that there, but it doesn't really affect the quality of living in the building at all. It's good, it's solid old building. So that's the room there. This is a nice big space. I suppose it must be about at least 5 meters by 5 meters, something like that. It's got windows on all sides, so it's nice and light as well. And then finally, you have this really useful large cupboard here, built in, loads of storage space, hanging space. There's a light in there as well, which gives you bags of room for all your bits and bobs. So that's the flat. I'll shut that door. And with that, I will end my little video tour.